Namaskaram to all. I very welcome you to all my new video. Today's topic is Kundalini Jnana. As many different people are very curious about to know what is the Kundali and what is the Kundalini Jnana, what is the Kundali awakening, and different kinds of opinions are already there in internet platforms. Many gurus, many known yogas teacher, and there are so many people who have already talked about the Kundalini Jnana. If you will see on these particular the data which is available on the internet or in the books, it is been known as the known facts which are already there, and there are some public opinions also there, because people have felt that they have experienced the Kundalini awakening within the 7 chakras. So many people are there who are telling that okay, I have felt this particular chakra, I will getting some pain, I will experiencing some all different kinds of experience they have taught. If you will go broaderly, it will be very confusing for you to understand that what is right and what is wrong. So on looking the all the things, I have made this video because if you divide all the opinions in the two different groups, one is the professional opinions which are present on the internet. There are people who are teaching you yoga, Kundalini awakenings, different kinds of meditations. So actually what they are doing the things, they are teaching you some techniques, they are teaching you some yogas, they are telling you something which is present in their books, they have read, they have heard from their gurus, and all different kinds of stuff is there on the internet. So if you will listen very carefully, I will going to tell you something which is not there in books and which is not there in professionals, because Kundalini is a very vast topic. If I have to cover, I have to touch the all ancient sciences, because it is not already connected to yogas itself, but it is also connected to Ayurveda as well, astrology as well. If any guru is anybody, if denying any one of that our ancient science, whether it is astrology, whether it is Ayurveda, whether it is yoga, then he cannot understood the Kundalini and Kundalini awakening. So he is making only the false things to you, and he is just getting the benefit out of that. So looking these things, first we will understand the meaning of Kundalini. As you already heard in so many videos, so many gurus have already told about the Kundalini. The word Kundalini is been derived from the word Kundali. So Kundali itself told about there is something which is coiled. If you don't know about the Kundali, you have to go to astrology, because in ancient India the Pandit, the Brahmins are doing one of the magical things. They are preparing the Kundali of each and every individual. On that particular things, they will identify the prakriti of that particular individual. If you don't know the prakriti of that particular individual, how you can treat him in something which is he suffered, or without knowing his prakriti, how you can suggest him yoga, how you can suggest him meditation, how you can suggest him even the Ayurveda, because this prakriti will suggest you the basic DNA knowledge of that particular individual. So according to that, you can treat them beneficially, or you can treat them accordingly. Now main thing we have to understand that Kundali is one of the basic things which people have correlated with the future knowing, but it is not about the future knowing, but it is also about the knowing yourself, ourself. If you will understand it deeply, you will be very surprised, and I will directly correlate it with the Kundalini Jnana. What the professionals are doing, they are doing the same medications, same yoga practice for all of you. Like if they are taking the classes of to arise the Muladhara chakra, so they will fix some exercises and they will initiate it for the everyone. First you have to understand that if you will go to any particular specialist or particular doctor, what he will do, how he will treat you, how he will give you the medications. the first thing he will do, he will diagnose you. Without diagnosis, he could not find the problem, what is the problem within you. So like that diagnosis, the first diagnosis before going into the different kind of yogas for the different chakras awakening and the Kundalini yoga, first you have to diagnose yourself, that who are you, what is your prakriti, what element you are built up of. And I must tell you that each of us have been made up of the 5 major elements. You already know that: water, earth element, then fire element, then air element, and the akasha, also known as ether. So these 5 elements are formed in the human body, and human body is prepared from basically from that particular thing. So I will tell you that now if you will go into the deep, you will also get to know that the each and every particular element had its particular lord. Like the akasha or the ether element has its lord as known as the Jupiter. If you will go further, that earth element, the lord is known as the Mercury, which is the Buddha Graha. And if you will go further, that fire element, the lord is known as the Mars. The Vayu Tattva is element, the air element is known as the Saturn. The lord is Saturn, which is governed by Saturn. And if you will go further, water element, the lord is taken care by the Shukra. The lord is the Shukra. So if you will see that our ancient technology have correlated each and everything with each and everything, that what is your prakriti if you are governed by the particular lord. Suppose if you are governing a particular lagna which is correlating with the earth element. If the earth element, basically you know that there are 3 rasis or 3 lagnas are present in the earth element, which is known as the Libra, Taurus, as well as the Sagittarius. And it is very interesting to know that an individual who has these particular rasis or lagnas are more prone to activate the Mooladhara chakra, because Mooladhara chakra is one of the basic chakra which is present below the spine. You have already heard in so many videos that it is one of the first chakra into the different 7 chakras. And I must tell you a very secret thing which nobody has told you in any of the video which is available on the internet. If you will analyze most of the earth element individual who has the lagnas known as the Virgo as well as the Taurus. I am not talking about the rasis, I am talking about the lagnas. Lagna we can easily calculate by any astrologer. He is knowing your date of birth and place and time, and he will tell you what particular lagna you have been born. So if you are born in a lagna which is related to the earth element, you will see it will be see to magical thing that already the Mooladhara chakra is being activated in your body. And it depends on your prakriti and your nature, that how much of percentage of Mooladhara chakra is being activated in your body. If you will see very closely and you will research on these particular people like Virgo, Taurus and Sagittarius, you will see that these peoples are most prone to have the kapha problem, because Ayurveda has differentiated the 3 kinds of dosa in individuals. One is known as the Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And Kapha is a very known problem which has been seen into the Virgo as well as Taurus and Sagittarius peoples. Now what is the meaning, what is the purpose to tell you that the Kapha, about the Kapha dosha in these particular things of activating the Mooladhara chakra? If your body, the prime element is the earth element and your dosa is the Kapha dosa, so these kind of people generally having the headache problem. Sometimes they are overweight, sometime if you will see that these are the very moody people. Generally if you will see them, they will look younger as compared to their fellow people who are on the same age of, like if you are a 40-year individual, most probability are there that you will look younger than your age. You will look like a 30-year-old person, you will look like a 35-year-old person, but it is not easy to judge for the people of your actual age. So why it is happening? It is happening because already the Mooladhara chakra is activated, because the prime element, earth element, is your body formation. So it has been activated. If you will just focus and just initiate some of the techniques, you will more initially activate these chakras into its fullest power. Main thing is that Mooladhara chakra is known as to enhance the body life, because your body is the lagna, is itself considered as the lagnas, and it is body who is in this physical world experiencing all the things. So what Mooladhara chakra is doing, it is, if you are continuously practicing, it will do some initial secretions, which some people will say, some guru will say that it will be the secretion like a amrit. So if you will look at the properties of amrit, what it will do, it will enhance your lifespan. So these people who has been activated their Mooladhara chakras, their lifespan has been increased. Like they will live approximately 100 years, 120 years, and you will see some people exceptionally live more than that also, depending on the activation of their Mooladhara chakra. Same time, it is also responsible to build up your body, because the sign of this Mooladhara chakra is divided into the 4 petals. If you will see the Mooladhara chakra, the 4 petals are there, which has been present, and the 4 petals now indicate to the different many things. Basically, if you will go into the segregation, we will understand that the 4 petals are denoted for the dharma, artha, kama and moksha. So this is also a new topic. If you will go further into that, it will be a much more larger video. So I can just elaborate you more about this earth element Mooladhara chakra. If you will see the people, I will just give you some of the examples you can find out in your nearby. The people who are you looking at you, they are seems very younger than their age. You can easily understand that the Mooladhara chakra is being activated in some partial amount in that particular individual. So according to that, each and every 7 chakras are being governed by our body or our mind or our soul or our all the elements. But the most important thing is that only the 5 elements are present into our body, and there are different 7 chakras are there. Now I will just draw back your attention also that the 7 number is itself is a very mysterious number. So all the chakras are 7s and elements are 5. So till 5th chakras, the elements are governed. After that, the Agya chakra is there in between our eyebrows, and it is known as the third eye also. It is not governed by any elementas. And the Sahasrara chakra, which is not in our body, it has been considered that it is outside the body, and it is one of the most mysterious chakras which is present in our whole system. So I will just elaborate you more examples in our coming videos, that how you can identify that the different chakras are activated in particular individuals, and they even don't know about the hidden power of their chakras, and they are living the life as a normal span, but already the things the chakras are doing its work. The conscious people will do the one thing, they know that this chakra is already activated in my body, so they will focus more on that particular thing. So first they will activate that, and after they will initiate for the further chakras to initiate, because the prime element of your body, suppose if a element Artha element, so definitely Mooladhara chakra will be your first priority to activate, because it is very easy and it is very coordination with your body. So we will definitely get started. So guys, if you like this video, I request you to just circulate this video to as much as people around you, so they will get benefited with this video, with this knowledge. And I will just request you to subscribe our channel, as well as press the this notification bell also, so you will get the more videos and the more elaborated things which I have experienced by my personal research, and the things which I have known I will share to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.